Hi, I'm Rochelle Romans, and today I'm going to show you this fun double knot bun, and I'm going to be securing and featuring these beautiful acrylic U-pins, sometimes known as a hair fork or hair prongs, and they offer us a variety of colors that are super fun. One of the things I like to point out about these acrylics over and over again, I'm told by ladies that these are fast, they're easy to use, they save them time, and my key point here is they're super gentle on the hair. They give you that secure, nice, strong hold, but very gentle on the hair shafts and not creating breakage. So let's get started. And today I'm going to use this fun white with just a little black swirl in it. So you can go ahead and take out some, framing hair if you'd like on the front. I like to use this rose water to, kind of tame my frizz. If you have super straight hair, a quick tip is the fact that you can put your hair up slightly damp, and then when you take it down, you'll have a little tasseled kind of beachy wave look. And if you want to enhance that even more, you can use some sea salt spray. So let's get started. Let's take half of our hair up like so. Now I'll be using 2 of these U-pens, okay? So we're gonna take half of our hair up and section that out. All right, we'll just begin by holding the hair in our left hand, and we're gonna take the hair up and around our hand, okay? And we'll actually reach through this loop with our right hand and tie a knot with that hair. So we're just going to bring the ends right on through, okay? Just like that. Now you can go ahead and do out your bun to make it bigger if you like, more voluminous, but here we're going to insert our U-pin to hold the bun. You'll see that the U-pin here is curved. This is for the comfort when you're wearing it because it's curved just like your scalp. So we'll start with the curve going away from our head. We will just insert the U-pin here to the right, grabbing some of our hair. The key factor is come out a little bit from your bun, like an inch. We're gonna make sure the tips of this acrylic pin are touching our scalp. Gently but firmly touch the scalp as you turn the U-pin. And now it's time to go ahead and push that U-pin in, bringing the ends out the other side of the bun. Now we have this hair left over. We're going to take that remaining hair along with the rest of our hair and create the second bun for this double knot updo. We're going to do the same thing. We're taking our hair in our left hand, wrapping it around, bringing it to the other side. We are going to actually slip our fingers through there, tie that hair in a knot. Now you can have really long hair and still do this. All we're going to do is now counterclockwise go ahead and tuck any remaining hair in. Continue looping it if you have a lot of hair until you have a nice bun. We're going to take that second new U-pin and do it just like the first. Curve, so curve going away from our scalp, inserting it to the right, just grabbing some hair there, making sure the tips come out, touching our scalp gently but firmly, gathering that scalp hair as we insert it, making sure we're right along the scalp, and then pushing it out and through the other side of the bun. There you have it, the double knot bun updo featuring our acrylic U-pins. Now you could certainly go ahead and pull out your hair if you'd like more volume, if you like. And, if you want that sleek, slick look, go ahead and straighten your hair, or if you have naturally straight hair, you can create that sleek bun. So go ahead and tell me below in the comments, do you like the curly, voluminous look, or do you like that sleek back look? I'm Rochelle Romans. Have a blessed day. You'll find in the description below the link to purchase these fabulous gentle U-pins to secure your hair. Have a blessed day.